welcome back to my channel. With everything going on, I just need a break, okay? I am not an avid protective styler, but there does come times when I need a break, and I do right now. So I'm going to be protective styling by doing some medium jumbo box braids on my hair. So this is going to be a very laid back video right now. I'm just going to tell you guys because I just I'm struggling to find the energy for this, okay? So pretty much I just want to tell you guys very quickly what I'm doing, what I'm using, and also just to highlight some black owned brands that I did. I also am going to be doing the rubber band method just because I feel like it's a little bit quicker, and also because it lasts a lot longer just by securing each section with a rubber band. That just keeps my hair from getting puffy as quick. So that's just a tip for me. So I did take that time to support and purchase from a couple of small black owned businesses and some large black owned businesses that just really impressed me. I think that is what's really important. What a lot of us is just going forward, just, you know, what is going to be your standard? What is going to be your minimum standard for access to your platform? You know, what is that going to be? And you know, that's going to be different for everybody, but I did want to make sure that I supported some brands that really impressed me. So starting off, one of the first brands that I did support on Blackout Tuesday was Pattern Beauty, and I just bought their on the go kit because I have never tried anything from Pattern Beauty, and we all know they ain't cheap. And I got the shampoo, heavy conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner, and these were just 3 fluid ounces, and I think I paid like $25 for the on-the-go kit. And I did shampoo my hair with this twice. It was okay. It was a good shampoo. It's not hard to impress me with a shampoo. And then I did follow up with a heavy conditioner. I will say that this conditioner made my hair really soft. If they are still taking, you know, opinions of reviews and influencers, I personally feel like this conditioner could use a little bit more slip.
Why do we keep doing that? Like, it's going this way. Like, no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like, whoop, like, no, go do. What the fuck?
And I follow up with one of my Holy Grail deep conditioners. So this is the Oh Honey Moisture Mask by Lovely Bees. I just can't say enough. I just can't say enough. This stuff is so good. Silicone free, paraben free, mineral oil free, petroleum free, and alcohol free. Next, and it came really quick because like I said, I ordered these products on Blackout Tuesday, like actually on Tuesday, and by Saturday they were here. So I ordered the Neo Curly Bangin Curls Lightweight Hair Milk Anti-Breakage Frizz Fighting Intensive Moisture Finishing Cream, and this stuff impressed me, okay? I mean, I just really like it. A little goes a long way, and I ordered this because I like to keep moisture milks on hand underneath my gels because, you know, I'm on a hunt for a new wash and go gel, child. But this is good, okay? So this was my only leave-in, and then I blow dry my hair. So I already mentioned that I did the rubber band method to secure my parting. I do definitely believe that the knotless method is probably less tension on your hair. I personally just really like and prefer the old school knots. I tend to lean more towards 90s trends, so it's really just a personal preference for you. I've also been doing my own protective style since about 2012, so the knot method is just the one that comes second nature. I will be showing you guys a close-up version of this in just a second, but basically all I'm doing is using my hair as the middle section and doing an old school plait to attach the braiding hair. After braiding about 4 or 5 times, I borrow hair from each side of the braiding hair to add length and cover my natural hair. Other than the brands I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I will not be mentioning what I'm using, and that's just a personal decision until I can figure out which of these brands out here really care about us. Obviously, you can probably see the container in some of the shots, and if you watch my haul video, you know exactly what I'm using because I already mentioned this and what I would be using it for. But after really seeing how some of these brands act, the stance that I have to take is that no brand, white or black, deserves my platform or to even have their brand name come out my mouth until they walk it like they talk it, okay? The uprising is happening in many different areas, and this is how I personally can walk it like I talk it on mine. Feel free to check out my previous video before all this goes on to see all the products that I recently purchased, or drop your favorite products to use for your protective styles in the comment section. For the amount of hair that I used for each section, I'm just going to be honest with y'all, I always pretty much just eyeball it. For this look in particular, I really just wanted a carefree, boho, indie type of vibe that could also look good as it aged. To add to this and create that look that I'm talking about, I took some leftover pieces from my Passion Twist protective style and braided them in at different places in some of the braids. After I finish boiling my braids and adding mousse to lock in, shine, and curl, I do want to say that for me, I can definitely see this, like the curly pieces bothering me, and me just clipping them off so that the hair itself stays neat and it doesn't get too ratty. But other than that, this is what my Jumbo Goddess braids look like. Because the hair is added in at different pieces of braid, you really can't just snip the curls out if you want to, or if you don't want that look anymore. So that's why I like that method. To sleep at night, all I do is just tie and secure them in my do-rag. And to take a shower, I do use this loud ass satin cap that I recently got that is too stiff to sit with us, okay? I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for being so patient with me as I took some time to realign. And I do really hope all my cousins are taking care of yourselves. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the family if this is your first time visiting my channel. And remember, Black Lives Matter. All of them. Gay, straight, trans, or none of your business. All Black lives matter. Love you guys.